Okay, so this is part 3 in my series of the Mac running PDF file. So I had a question from a student. It reads, if I drag in a document that is a couple pages, is it possible to automatically have it viewed as a 3-page spread, or does the viewer have to click on the sidebar to open the document in order to view all 3 pages? I think I'm asking if I can save it all as one running document, or if it will always have subfolders, basically. Does that make sense? Okay, it did make sense. There's no reason why you would need to have subfolders. Like the video that I just posted the other day showed, there won't be any subfolders as long as you drop it in the right spot. As long as the entire document is highlighted, then it becomes inserted into the document. So whether you're inserting one page, whether you're inserting 3 pages, 4 pages, doesn't matter. It's all possible. You just need to save it all together, and then that takes care of that. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate that again. Moving on to the second paragraph here. More importantly, just wondering if once you've dragged some in, is it possible to delete a page from my PDF, or do I have to start all over? I dragged it in and then realized it needed to be changed, so I want to take it out and insert the proper one. Possible or no? Answer is, of course, absolutely it is possible. You'll find that with the Mac and the preview software in terms of PDF files, there's really nothing that is impossible. It's pretty straightforward, pretty solid software, so I will just demonstrate that quickly. I'm using part of my socials certification unit that I'm going to be handing in. So the first part was, I think, if she was asking, can she insert a document without having multiple subfolders? Okay, let's just say there's no reason why I would do this, but this is just what I have on my desktop right now. I have my socials certification unit so far, and then I have this other obscure journal about child poverty and literacy. So let's say for some reason I wanted to insert this journal into my running PDF for my certification unit for my social studies. So how I do that is I would just take this 7-page document right here. Let's say I wanted it to start on page 3, so you can see the whole document is highlighted. And so I drop it right here, so starting from page 3, and there you go, it's dropped in there. Okay, so now I'm going to click Save As, and we'll save this as something different because I'll actually mess up my document right now, but I'll call this socials too. Okay, so you notice as soon as you save, on the right side, all the pages line up appropriately. There are no subfolders at all. Okay, this document here, which used to be a separate document, is now part of one document, which I saved as socials too. Okay, so you got page 1, you got a lesson. Page 2, you got a lesson. Page 3, you've got this Project Athena, whatever this is about. And so you can see it's a 7-page document. So from page 3 to page 9, you will have that document, and then picks up page 10 now. You have the rest of my running PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and close that up and delete this file because I don't need it. Then to answer the second part of the question, okay, so now we still have this original document of 5 pages. If you want to delete a page, can you do that? Absolutely. There's no reason why you couldn't do it. Okay, so basically all you do is highlight the page and click on your keyboard delete. There you go. Click delete. Now I'm saving as something else. Now it's a 4-page document because that part of the document has been deleted. Okay, and all I did is just highlight the page and click delete. Then I click save. The document's saved. Okay. Then if you wanted to insert another thing you can do. Okay, let's say again, for whatever reason, I decided there's a page from this journal that I just had to have in my documents. So let's say page 4, let's say, relates for some reason, I think. So I can actually drag one page from a document into another running PDF. And you can notice how it's highlighted there. And all of a sudden, this becomes page number 3. All I need to do is click save, and there you go. So let's say that that's the updated page. So the answer is yes and yes. Okay, so you can make changes, you can delete pages, you can put a multi-page document into your running PDF without having any subfolders. Okay, it'll just be one long document. Okay? You can insert pages wherever you want. The key thing is and always will be, that you have the document highlighted as one complete document. You notice how this is highlighted? It's highlighted. I move down, it's no longer highlighted. Okay? It's no longer highlighted. What's going to happen if I drop this? Then that's a separate document. Now that's a subfolder. Okay? It's not what we want. Okay? So as long as you're highlighted, the entire document's highlighted, you got no problems. Okay, so hopefully that clears